Meet Nick, Sarah and John. Nick wants to add people to his loyalty program and build a list of customers to communicate his brand benefits through email marketing and newsletters. Sarah wants her consumers to be able to verify that her products are authentic and aren't counterfeit. This has been an issue in the past, especially for her online and third-party shoppers. And John wants buyers to know his brand story, where his products are sourced, processed, packaged and sold, as well as educating consumers on how his package is recycled. John also wants to track every package he produces in case of a recall. Additionally, all of them want to benefit from gathering analytics, which can be used to inform their marketing decisions, supply chain management and quality control. All of their needs are met with ePacConnect, an innovative connected packaging technology designed for brands of all sizes, made possible by ePac flexible packaging. Here's how it works. It starts with ePac's innovative digital printing platform. Unique, serialized QR codes are generated and printed on each pouch, a capability only possible with digital printing. With these codes, brands have the opportunity to create interactive experiences with consumers, protect their brand by verifying the authenticity of their products, and track and trace the full life cycle of each individual product journey. With ePacConnect, brand owners like Nick, Sarah and John have dashboards showing data such as time of day, location of consumer interaction and much more. The solutions for these brand owners are endless and will inevitably increase brand awareness, loyalty and sales. ePacConnect is a scalable solution for brands of all sizes. Take your brand to the next level and put your packaging to work for you. To help your brand connect and protect like never before, visit us at epacflexibles.co.uk/ePacConnect.